Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to attach images and documents on the Deepseek app using your phone. It's super simple, so let's dive into it. First things first, locate the Deepseek app on your home screen. After you have located, simply tap on it. Once you are in, type the message or simply tap on the plus icon right here and tap on document and select the document you want to send. You can also select the images from here by simply tapping on image and select the image you want to send and tap on add. Type the message and simply tap on send button right here. And that's it, you have successfully attached an image to your Deepseek post or message. It's really that simple. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want more tips like this, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.